Hi, welcome to LeetCode in Seconds, where we provide quick and easy to understand solutions to LeetCode problems. Today, we have valid parentheses, an easy LeetCode problem whose solution focuses on the stack data structure. Stack data structure is great for tracking and ordering first in, last out queues. Stack's popular methods are push and pop. Push means to add data, while pop means to remove. Push returns the top layer that was just added, while pop returns the layer that was just removed. Our supporting data structure will be HashMap. We won't go into detail today about HashMap. Just know we will use HashMap to determine which pair of parentheses we are currently keeping track of. Here is our LeetCode problem. If you've already read this problem, great. Let's focus on this line right here. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Imagine a restaurant keeps track of the customers that leave hungry. Our validation method will only return true if every customer left that restaurant feeling full. An open parenthesis added to the stack is a customer that enters the restaurant hungry. A closed parenthesis removed from the stack is a customer that exits the restaurant feeling full. By following our validation pattern, all of the restaurant's customers should leave feeling full, which for our method here is a true value. Before we show you our solution, please consider the edge cases that we are handling. Our solution will return false if a customer never leaves the restaurant, meaning they remain on the stack, or a customer left the restaurant still feeling hungry. Here is our hash map that keeps track of pairing references. The key value mapping is a full customer to a hungry customer. If you'd like your stack to keep track of different types of customers, just add entries to the hash map. Next, we initialize our stack. This will contain the state of the restaurant as new customers come in to eat. Since the stack keeps track of when a customer comes in, other customers can come into the restaurant, allowing multiple hungry customers to live on the stack. Here is our for loop that will keep track of all the customers that enter and leave the restaurant for a given day. The first condition of the for loop only adds hungry customers to the stack. When a customer is added, we continue to the top of the for loop. The next condition occurs when we find a closed parentheses or a full customer for the current iteration of our data. This condition retrieves the corresponding pair from the hash map. To understand this condition a little more, it's important to remember that pop does two things. Pop removes the top layer of a stack and returns that layer as data for our Boolean check. This condition will return false because a customer left our restaurant feeling hungry. This condition is checked after the for loop to make sure that there are no more customers inside the restaurant. When the restaurant is empty, return true. If the previous condition does not return true, then return false.